It's always been one of the kind of weird things of like, yeah, you can do all this stuff because you're an adult, but you're not.
Except this.
But no, when you talk about that, the number of people who don't understand some of those things, again, when you talk about like you don't know what you don't know, uh, I when I came home, so when I went to Iraq way back in the day, uh, I came home on leave, and I was 20 when I came home on leave, and they just opened up the first Cabela's in South Dakota,
Okay.
and so this was back in would have been '03, December of '03, and I came back and was like, "Oh, hey." And we swung through Cabela's, and I had a bunch of deployment money in my pocket. And I was like, yeah, I was home on leave. I was there with my mom, and she picked me up at the airport, and I tried to buy my first handgun. I say tried because even though South Dakota gave me a concealed carry permit at 18, and I had
Yeah.
literally turned in a Beretta to, I was like, oh, yeah, hey, I'm not going to be on the road. I don't need this. Turn it over to the gun truck crew. And then went back, and I flew home on leave and was like, yeah, I just turned in my guns in Iraq, and I went to buy one, and the guy went through and ran it, and he goes, yeah, I can't sell you this gun because you're not 21.
Yep.
And like, it was like, huh.
Yeah, it defies logic. At 17, with your parents' permission, you can enlist and join the military, and then the military entrusts you with machine guns, grenades, grenade launchers, things like that. And, we have two challenge. Well, we had two, so hopefully they might consider addressing that issue. But it's just insane that 18-year-olds can't buy it from a dealer. Yet at the same time, almost every state, well, not every, the majority of states allow 18-year-olds to possess handguns and even carry them and use them. But the they're kind of limited in how they can acquire them if you can't go buy a new one from a dealer.
It's always been one of the kind of weird things of like, yeah, you can do all this stuff because you're an adult, but you're not.
Except this and that.
There's two things you can't do.